In this video, you'll learn how to build a job board using Claude Code. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to set up your project folder, save your API key, create a minimal backend, and run your server. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functioning job board application. Begin by creating a folder for your job board project. Open your command line interface and enter the command new item type directory path C Claude job board. This command creates a new directory called Claude job board in your C drive. After executing this command, set your working directory to the new folder by typing set location C Claude job board. You will now be operating within the Claude job board directory. Next, initialize a new node.js project by typing npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings, which is essential for managing your project dependencies. After that, install the necessary backend dependencies by entering npm install express, Axios, body parser, course.ov, and SQL83. Each of these packages serves a specific purpose, such as setting up a lightweight backend server with Express or managing API keys with .ov. And once the dependencies are installed, you will need to save your Claude API key. Create a text file by typing set content-path Claude_key.text-value your_API_key. Replace your _CLDO_API_key with your actual API key. This step is crucial because it allows your application to authenticate requests to the Claude API. After saving the key, load it into an environment variable by using the command $onBall $API_key equals get content Claude_key.txt. This makes your API key accessible within your application. Now, you will create the backend functionality by writing the server code. Store the following code in a file named server.js by entering the command set content-path server.js-value $backend. This code sets up the Express server, initializes the SQLite database, and defines endpoints for adding jobs and generating job descriptions. Take a moment to review the code and ensure it is correctly formatted, as any syntax errors can prevent your server from running smoothly. To start your backend server, type node server.js quote in your command line interface. This command runs your server, and you should see a message indicating that the Claude job board is running at http://localhost 4000. Open a web browser and navigate to this address. You will see an empty job list, which confirms that your backend is functioning properly. To test the functionality, use Postman or curl commands to interact with the endpoints. Execute cur-x post http://localhost 4000 add job dob -h content type application /json -m title front develop description build awesome UI dessert. Finally, you might consider next steps for expanding your job board application. You can build a front-end user interface using React or HTML to display and add jobs more interactively. Additionally, you could automate deployment processes using PowerShell scripts for services like Azure, AWS, or DigitalOcean. Enhancing the AI capabilities of your job board could involve using Claude to automatically categorize jobs, screen resumes, or suggest salaries based on the job descriptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.